Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a discount coupon code video. And right now, you know what, that the summer sales are going right now, so you can save as much as up to 95% discount when you buy through the discount link mentioned in the description of this video and follow this step-by-step tutorial I'm going to tell you. So let's get started without wasting any time. So just click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed over here, and now I'm going to tell you how you can save up to 95% with the special summer sale right now. Right now it's 80%, but I'm going to make it 95%. This is so let's get started from top. So the first thing which I like regarding hosting is the 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing. Scroll below, look around on the Trustpilot reviews, and the Trustpilot is an industry independent review website. So let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger on Trustpilot. So 4.7 ratings out of 5. Okay, just see the recent reviews. 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Been using the hosting for 3 months now and impressed. So you can see almost everyone is happy. And with 30 days money back guarantee, the best thing is that no questions asked is included with it. These are some of the famous websites which supports Hostinger. Hosting also supports WordPress, so if you're planning to create a website in WordPress, Hostinger supports it. And if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger using the special discount deal, so Hostinger has a free website migration service where the competitors charge as much as $25 or $2,400 for this. Hostinger offer you all that too free of cost. Now scroll below. 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I am using it as well now. Without wasting much of your time, directly move over to the plans. Now you can save up to 95% discount over here, but my recommendation is to do a thorough search of all the plan features function. By default, all the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime. The premium plan has 75% discount, unlimited has 80%, cloud setup has 71%, but I'm going to make it 95% discount for you. If you ask me the best plan, I'm using the unlimited plan, also known as the business plan. This plan is very good. You can have unlimited websites, but do your research and see your budget. Now it's 80%, so now I'm going to make it 95%. So in order to get this discount, make sure to click on the link in the description. Now select the choose plan over here. Here it's 80%, but I'm going to make it even more than 95% for you guys. So once you select the choose plan over here, now you are being redirected over here. Now over here, Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Because these are special limited time deal and the deals may disappear, so grab the summer deal right now by opting for the 48 months for a maximum discount price, but you can opt for 24 or 12 months as well depending upon your budget. After this, you can claim a free domain right now by writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. But please keep in mind the free domain is only valid for the first year. So I'm going to make it 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. So you can see your free domain is free for 1 year, free mailbox over here. Now see your order summary over here. Select I have a coupon code and try this amazing discount coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video. And after this, I'm going to do the math for you to make it 95% for you. So 80% over here, daily backup, reach 100, free domain, 10% over here. 80% plus 10% is 90%. Plus daily backup, reach, free domain, free mailboxes for 1 year. So you can see it's more than 95%, but let's imagine it's 95%. So after this, simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, or need to create a new account, or need to synchronize with Google account. So I'm going to synchronize and get back to you over here. So you can see that coupon code is applied, and after this, let me do it again for you. So what you have to do over here is to log in at your Google account, or synchronize with it, or create a new account over here and do the payment procedure over here. And within few minutes, you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the discount coupon code and follow the step-by-step tutorial to get up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I want you guys to take the advantage of this limited time deal. So grab now. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either the discount coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck with this summer sales. Good luck.